Hi everybody, Tokyo Man here. Just want to do a little unboxing of the package I received recently from monstertailshop.com. So I can see the website behind on the computer screen. So basically it's a tail tidy kit for the Ducati Monsters, and they make kits for first generation Monsters up to the newest one actually. Mine is the first generation one, and they have different versions as well. You can look at the website and check what would be suitable for your needs. So I got myself the sort of the basic kit. Was $86.99, and that's including free shipping. That's pretty cool. So anyway, let's have a look at the package here. So on the cover here, it says the value is at $20. I think it's to save the buyer some import charges. I'm in Tokyo. Actually I didn't have to pay anything, so that's pretty cool. So it's not like I got screwed or the part is worth only $20 or not. So this is actually meant to help you. So again, I said the standard shipping is free, and you can also buy some different faster shipping options of their websites, like $15 more or not, but standard free shipping was actually pretty fast, about 2 weeks at most. So I was pretty happy with that. So anyway, I opened the package already, so let's have a look. So inside, just a bubble envelope, and I have a bag with the license plate bracket. Looks pretty nice, eh? So I got some instructions here in color, pretty nice, and kind of surprised to see it's actually painted black, powder coated, so that's pretty cool too. And what stands out a lot is the thickness of the metal. So it's supposed to be made of aluminum, but you can see how thick it is. So that is pretty good quality stuff, and it's very light. So let's open it up. First, let's have a look at the package here. So you got the different kinds of tail chop or tail tidy they have. So that's the tail chop, which you have to cut off the frame a little bit. So that's the thing I'm going to do. That's what this bracket is for. And here's one as a no chop tail tidy. And then there's the stealth one, which I'm not too sure how legal that would be in most countries or states. So I'd rather not risk it and just have the normal version to keep the cops off me. Look at the other side here. So the label from Atomic, and underneath this powder coated aluminum bracket. Fits Ducati Monster models: 400, 620, 695, 750, 800, 900, 1000, S2R and S4R, all years. So nice. So Atomic, I'm assuming this is like the company, the machine shop that makes the part for the monstertailshop.com. Not sure. But anyway, let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You got the important part here, which is the bracket. Got an Atomic sticker as well. So again, it's very light, but it's so thick. So this is quality stuff, and it says it's powder coated too, so it's gonna last. So I like what I'm seeing so far very much. Very cool. That's the back. And this kit I purchased is designed to reuse the license plate light. So you can buy a shorter one as well if you want to delete the license plate light. But again, I just wanted to keep the the upgrade simple, easy to use, and legal as much as possible. So I like what I see. Very nice. Next, there's a little bag with some fasteners, some nuts, washers. Let's open this up here. Okay, so you got the vinyl plugs here for the once you cut the frame, you just stick these in to prevent the water or dust or whatever to get inside the frame. So there's an option to buy anodized aluminum ones for like an extra $20. So I thought I'd give these a shot first, and if it looks too cheap or doesn't work too good, then I'll spend the money and buy those. But it looks pretty decent, and probably not much visible also once it's on the bike. So anyway, okay, got these here, nylon looking spacers of some kind, not too sure what they're for. Okay, got 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and a couple of washers with protective rubber on the inside there. So nice, so it won't scratch up your bracket or bike frame. So that is that. And lastly, got the instruction booklet or leaflet. There you go. So it's pretty nice that it's in color, and there's also videos on YouTube by the same guys and other people that shows you how to install it. But if you don't want to follow the video and pause it every 5 seconds, and you have the instructions to read through, and with pretty nice pictures, so it looks pretty good. So I'll have a read through that a bit later. So before, like, those brackets used to be just raw aluminum color, so I guess it came as a surprise they were powder coated black, and I like it better that way. Pretty nice. Okay, so that is all that's included with the kit. It would have been nice if they would have included like a decal or something, you know, to put on your toolbox or whatever, but it didn't. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the quality of the item and how it looks. So the next challenge is to see if they're gonna fit with my Japanese license plate, if screw holes were aligned or not, or I have to be a bit creative to make it fit. So I'll keep you guys posted, and thanks for watching. And again, if you're looking for a tail tidy kit, please check out the website. I'm not sponsored by them, I'm just giving my first impressions, and that's all, and I really like what I see so far. So thank you very much for watching.